Now this is commercial arithmetic. This has to do with arithmetic that involves everyday buying and selling. You can see the first question here. We have a cloth which cost 12,000 naira was sold for 15,000 naira. Find the percentage profit. Now, the formula for percentage profit is this. You have percentage profit equals to selling price minus cost over cost price or cost times 100 over 1. That's how you find the percentage profit. Now, if you look at this question, let's say percentage profits. If you look at this question here, what was the selling price? It was sold for 15,000. So you have 15,000 naira here minus what was the cost price? 12,000 over the cost price again was 12,000 times 100 over 1. Now 15 times 12, that's 3,000 over 12,000 times 100 over 1. Now you can cancel out the zeros. These two zeros remove these two zeros. This one zero remove this one. What do we have left? We have 300 over 12. I believe if you use 3 here, 3 can go here, you have 4. 3 go here, what do you have? 100. Therefore, 4 going to itself 1, going to this 100 is 25. So that's the profit is 25%. This is how you calculate for percentage profit or loss. If it was percentage loss, this cost price will be here, while the selling price will be here. Then the selling price will now be down. But this one now, it was sold for a higher amount than it was bought, therefore profit was made. Now I go to the second one, which is find the simple interest on 10,000 naira for 2 years at 3% per annum. The formula for simple interest is I equals to P RT over 100. What's P? P is the principal, the original money that was borrowed or used to do the business. That's this 10,000. 10,000 here times rate. Rate is always a percentage, 3%. Then times 2 years over this 100 you have here. Now you play around with the numbers. 0 remove 0, 0 remove 0. What you have here is 100 times 3 times 2 over 1. Now 100 times 3, that's 300. 300 times 2 is 600. That's 600 naira is the interest. Pause. 100. Now, do this. Now, this one is that the price of a mobile phone was reduced from 14,200 to 13,800. Find the percentage loss. Find the what? Percentage loss. Now, what I'm going to do, percentage loss equals to the let's consider the loss. The loss is the loss you have, it was 14,200 minus 13,800 all over what it initially was what 13,800, right? Now if you minus these two, what are you going to get? Pause. Now from here, this minus this will give you 400 over this. Now 400 divided by this will give you 0.0289%. Therefore, this is the percentage loss at which the mobile phone was sold. So this is basically some examples in commercial arithmetic. You can go and practice more from your textbook and then you'll be good.